Yo, what's goody YouTube? It's your boy Lalo here with a brand new video. And as always, I got another fire one for y'all today, man. And as y'all can see by the title, folks, today we finna get lit just like always. Why? Because I got one of my personal favorite brands, you know what I'm saying? And I know I say that about all of the carts, but that's because all of the carts we review on this channel is some gas, you feel me? But today we got no other than the MKX, you feel me? And MKX is a very good brand. It's a very sought after brand. I see lots of people commenting about the MKX. I see MKX everywhere. And honestly, it deserves it, bro, because MKX are one of the most firest brands, you know what I'm saying? I had a couple of these a couple months back, bro, and they were all stupid fire. The flavors were on point, the wax looked good, everything about them was fire. The only complaint I had was they went so fast, bro. Literally, I would have one ask me 1 or 2 days, you know what I'm saying? It was gone by the 3rd day mark for sure, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's the wax that it burns very fast, or it's probably the fact that that shit is some fire and I kept chiefing it, and that's why I kept finishing them, bro. But yeah, bro, they would go super fast, but I would most definitely go ahead and cop them again just because they were so good and smacked very good, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, when I came across them again, I knew I had to cop them, you know what I'm saying? I'm hype as fuck. And it's a strawberry cough. Strawberry cough is one of those strains you just can't go wrong with. Like, name me one bad strawberry cough. Like, you know what I'm saying, folks? Like, strawberry cough is very fire. I love strawberry cough, and I love my sativas, you know what I'm saying? Well, I love everything, you know what I'm saying, folks? But it's a strawberry cough sativa by MKX. Now, this is the regular premium distillate. It's not liverosin, it's not hash or anything, but it doesn't matter because it's still gonna get us fucked up. But yeah, man, here's the front. It looks nice and clean. It has a little holographic shit, you know what I'm saying? MKX, pretty nice, pretty nice. Then here's the side. It says cannabis derived terpenes and purity and potency, which I low-key believe, bro, because like I said, these were nice, good smackers, bro. And the other side says official MKX oil co. and proudly made in Michigan. And like I said in last review, bro, shout out Michigan, bro. Y'all out here doing y'all shit, no bad. But yeah, man, here's the bag. That's all the data. If y'all want, y'all could pause it to see when this shit was packaged, the potency, the whole little thing, you know. So it says this is a 86%er, which is pretty high, and it's more than enough to get you fucked up, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro, I'm pretty hyped. I'm gonna stop all that talking, bro. Let me hurry up and get into this, bro. So how the fuck did I open this last time? Oh, that was pretty easy. So it's pretty straightforward. What the fuck? I'm stupid. But you know, I ain't even worried because y'all remember back in the day, the Dane carts? Yeah, this is made out of the same material, you know what I'm saying? It's not like that glass, like the glow carts. Bro, if that was a glow, that shit would have been broke. This is like a ceramic type of material, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't even worried, bro. I'm about to pick it up and it's gonna be all good. Watch. Then watch me pick it up and that shit's all broken. Fo, I'd be mad as hell, fo. Alright, let me go get it. Alright, boom. So like I said, nothing happened. Not even a scratch, bro. So boom. We test the high and the tasteless and the durability over here. Stupid ass. Nah, don't be dropping y'all carts like that, fo. That was an accident, fo. My ass stupid, fo. But yeah, here's the wax, you know what I'm saying? Nice, clear, gold wax. It looks just like the other MKXs I've had. Can't get much better than that, you know what I'm saying? Now, we gonna hit it with the bubble test. And honestly, I know it's not gonna move. MKXs, I think, have the heaviest wax out of every brand I've ever had, bro. Because I remember one time I accidentally left one of these upside down and all of the wax moved up here. And obviously, when I flipped it the other way and waited, by the time the other wax got down here, bro, it was like 3 to 4 hours later. I'm like, what the fuck? And I was with my family, you know what I'm saying? So I couldn't take it out, use the fucking lighter, and try to put the wax down or nothing so I could hit it. Bro, I was fucked, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that can either be good or bad, that the wax is hella thick. Now, that's actually good, you know what I'm saying? That means they ain't really cut it with hella shit, you know? Or actually, I don't even fucking know, fool. I'm stupid. Don't take my word for that. But yeah, man, wax is looking pretty good, you know what I'm saying? So let me go ahead, get the battery, get this cart, screw this old cool boys, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hit it with a hey. And now I'm gonna get this on. Take the little bottom off, screw it on, nice and good. Yes, sir. Screws on nice and clean. Put it in. Does it fit? Let's go. Now, does it click? Let's get it, man. Cheers, y'all. Wow, gee. I'm not gonna lie. that is the perfect combination of flavors, yo. Cause bro, that was good as fuck. Like, I love my fruity flavors, but I also like tasting flower, like weed, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't know, I feel like when you taste weed, it gives it that effect, you know? To me, it makes you feel like it smacks harder. I don't know if that makes sense, bro. Like, I like tasting weed terps, and also I like tasting fruity terps. And bro, this has the best of both. I'm not gonna lie, this shit was fire as fuck. And you wanna know something else that's crazy? I just realized I took a first hit and I didn't go for a blinker. What the fuck? Bro, that's some fire. I just noticed how important it is how long you hit your cart for, bro. Cause the time I blinked it, bro, I tasted more of like the weed flavor, you know? I didn't get as much of the strawberry flavor. But when I took a 4-second pull, it literally tasted like I ate a strawberry, which is weird, you know what I'm saying? But that taste was still good, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't get as much as a strawberry flavor taste as I did in the beginning. So, I don't know, bro. Nah, regardless, it's a smacker though, bro. But it's a creeper smacker. It's not like the crude boys I had in last videos, bro. I think it was called Hotcakes. I smacked that shit. As soon as I smacked it, you know that meme when it's like, that's the moment he knew he fucked up. That literally played in my head, bro. Like, bro, I smacked that shit. I started going crazy and I got a good high, bro. Like, I got stupid. Now the flavor. Out of 10, I would give the flavor a 8 out of 10, you know what I'm saying? Because like I said, if you go for the bigger hits, you're probably not going to get as much as flavor. But if you go for the smaller hits, you're going to get the crazy flavor. So, that's an 8 out of 10 on the flavor. On the highness, I give it a, you know what? We gotta give it another hit so we could give it a fair rating. Right or wrong, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, cheers. Wait, I'm tweaking, folks. You got your cardi on you, folks? We gotta hit it together, folks. You got the cardi on you? Alright, you do, folks? What you got, though? Let me know. Put it in the comments down below, folks. Alright, bet. Cheers, y'all. Is it weird that I taste the bananas, folks? That's weird, folks. I feel like I had so much strawberry banana strains recently that my brain just wants to mix this flavor with banana, bro. That's so funny. But yeah, I do get a slight hit. Bro, I'm so fucking high. I'm over here rating the fucking flavor. I'm supposed to be rating the high. Bro, I'm stupid. I guess the high is pretty good since it got me over here forgetting shit. And honestly, I feel pretty good. I feel pretty chill. I can't ask for much better, you know? I mean, I can, you know? Because there's some shit that'll literally get you obliterated stupid, you know what I'm saying? I don't really think you'll get there with this. I think you'll just get stupid, you know? But not obliteratedly stupid, you know? Bro, I'm over here making up words and shit. What the fuck? Y'all know what I mean, though, right? See, y'all know what I mean, folks. But yeah, folks. So, out of the highness, I give it a 8 out of 10. Still pretty good. It's still gonna get the job done. No bad. Now, I was saying, remember the beginning, how these carts go fast as fuck? I'm gonna go ahead and see how much wax I've wasted already, bro. If there's a lot of bubbles in this shit, I'm gonna be hella disappointed, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, we gonna go ahead and check together. Honestly, I expected much more. That's not bad. So hopefully this cart lasts me more than 2 days, you know what I'm saying? Pretty sure it will. I gotta take another blinker. Dumbass. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with it though. So out of 10, I give the strawberry cough a 7.9 out of 10. No bad. Reason why it gets a 7.9 out of 10 is flavor is good. It does have that strawberry flavor. It could have had a little more of a strawberry flavor, especially when you hit it at higher temps. But then again, these aren't made to get hit at higher temps. And I'm hitting this shit at 3.6. I'm stupid. What's the average? Aren't you supposed to hit these at 2 point something, bro? But if you hit it at 2 point something, you're not gonna get the clouds, you feel me? I don't know, folks. I like hitting it at 3.6. I feel like that's a good voltage for me. But I know that's probably a little too high. So honestly, Wait, what am I talking about? Oh my god, bro, this shit got me fried, bro. Shout out to MKX though. I love y'all brand, bro. MKX got the fire, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I still fuck with MKX. Y'all should go check them out. No bad. But yeah, this one gets a 7.5. Reason being, flavor could have hit a little stronger, especially at the higher temps. But that's okay, my fault, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, folks. Then again, I get other carts and hit them at the same temperature, and they taste really good. So yeah, highness, pretty good. It's gonna get the job done, but there's other carts that get you smacked. And the smoothness, it's like a 5 out of 10, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's not the smoothest, but it's not the harshest. It's not like you can't inhale this, bro. No, you could for sure inhale it. So while I'm over here talking about inhale, we gonna take our last hit together, man. Cheers. Wow. There's something about the MKXs. It just tastes so good and earthy, like clean, you know what I'm saying? And all of them have that taste, bro. I really like that about the MKX, bro. Shout out MKX, go get you one. And I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video, man. You guys are some real ones, especially if you guys made it all the way to the end. Thank y'all for giving me y'all time of day, you know what I'm saying? Means a lot. Yeah, man, I hope you guys do have a good day. Stay safe, y'all stay smooth. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.